VRCA. VRCA. KIT.
All right. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Adelaide. Good morning, Tim. Good morning, Yusuf. Hope everybody's having a good day. I got a lot of things going on today in my life. So I'll be streaming until about 10:45-ish. That's all I have time for today. And then I'll be signing my life away this afternoon. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Looks like things are moving upwards today. We've had some inflation numbers come out, I believe, this morning, which were marginally better than expected. So far, at least, the market is responding well. I guess house stuff this afternoon. Yeah, so as always, it's just going to be a scanner for me. Whatever pops up, I shall try and trade. Pretty good start to my week yesterday. Was yesterday Monday? No, yesterday was Tuesday. Pretty good start to my week yesterday. Hopefully can keep it going throughout the rest of the week. So good luck to y'all in your trading. Good luck to Tim today, sir. Got the coffee going. We got about a minute to go until market opens. Starbucks still going from yesterday. That one was a crazy move on hiring CMEG's, not CMEG, CMG's old head of operations over there. Not really any big names on the top of the movers list on either direction. Nvidia today up 2%. What's my Riot doing? It's up 1.5% so far, but who knows? That can change in an instant. All right, we're about to open up here, so good luck, everybody. Here we go. Watching SE here, see if it pops up through 77. All right, watching it. Keep going here, SE. Ooh, thought I was about to get a nice pop there for a minute. Still might. All right, is it going to go here? Thought it was about to. Again, failed, though. Playing with me a little bit here. All right, here it goes. Now I'm definitely going to need through 77.50 at this point. but really like 78 now after it stalled there just above 77 for a while. HUT moving. Take a look at HUT. Not much volume there yet. I think I will wait for 78 in case it makes a big run through 77.50 now on SE. Meta's been moving like crazy recently.
SE.
Alright, can it get up through 78? It's trying. Is it going to pop it?
NKTX. SE.
NKTX. Not too interested in that yet.
NKTX.
Got right up to 78 there and failed.
NKTX. FLUT.
Alright, is it going to make the move
NKTX.
through 78 now in SE? Come on, run higher. Looking for the bigger move here. Just barely poked its head through. 6 cents.
NKTX.
Market now coming back down. GME spike. Yeah, a little bit.
INTA. INTA.
DGLY is hard to borrow. No shares available.
INTA. INTA.
Market continuing. It's given up its entirety of
INTA.
gains so far. QFIN moving.
INTA.
Volume is okay. Little sporadic on when it comes in.
NKTX. INTA.
SMCI is dropping. Maybe if it got below 565.
INTA.
All right, market closed the gap, is now trying to rebound.
NKTX.
Does NKTX even have shares
QFIN.
today?
NKTX.
Does. The volume, though, is strange.
NKTX. QFIN.
SMCI actually did drop there under 565 momentarily.
NKTX. QFIN.
See if it comes down here again.
QFIN. NKTX. QFIN.
QFIN is moving strangely. Don't know if I want to be touching that one at the time being. LUMN moving
QFIN.
again today.
LUMN.
Plenty of shares.
QFIN. LUMN. LUMN. QFIN. LUMN.
EDBL no shares.
LUMN. LUMN.
All right, not a ton making big moves here out of the opening gate, 8 minutes in. Not a great sign for the day overall.
SMCI.
EVA moving. EVA. The range is actually not as good as it
NKTX.
looks. Huge company.
SMCI. NKTX. OGI up. 564K.
I'm watching TIVA here. It's just a massive, massive company.
SLRN. NKTX. NKTX.
TIVA have... Looks like some kind of insider selling news on TIVA from yesterday. All right, things coming back down here now.
Taba.
Yeah.
Guru.
Who is Justin B? Oh, I know who Justin B is.
Guru. Up. Huge co.
SMCI coming down. Let's see if it gets under
Guru.
555.
Guru. Get him.
Market really dropping now.
Guru. Guru. Guru.
Guru, I can mute you. PC's only 17K available.
UPC 17K.
Market just getting hammered down at it after the opening. Nice start up. Makes it difficult to get a popper.
UPC. UPC.
Wish UPC had more shares available.
UPC. 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 SMCI. UPC. UPC. SMCI. 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 UPC. SMCI.
And UPST here, see if it runs up through 39.
SMCI. 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 EWCZ.
Market
SMCI.
is very strange today. Let's see how Tim's doing with it.
Can I drag off of this? No, that's reverse
Is this a
position.
new look? I
SMCI.
don't know.
SMCI. SMCI.
Hmm.
SMCI.
Not a very exciting start. That's for sure.
North-northeast. 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 Serve. Guru.
Yeah, no shares here for us, Alex. Good luck.
Serve. VRCA.
Well, dang, UPST would have worked if it got 339 nicely.
VRCA. Serve.
Market continuing down further here now. Ooh, it's quiet out there, boys. It's quiet out there. Not a lot going anywhere. Another new low in the market. Things are moving down now. Such a promising start to the morning has been eviscerated. Yeah, but I want to make the money. That's the whole point of doing this. Obviously, I'm not going to force it, but I want the trade to come. I still got about an hour or so, so hopefully something will pop up in that time. All it takes is one. One runner.
GOVX. GOVX.
Yeah, I did that with my first marriage.
GOVX.
Same result.
GOVX. 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 GOVX.
GOVX, I'm going to mute you. Not treating you today.
QH up.
Yeah, I looked at QH earlier. Oh, that is a much bigger pop. Could have hit 50 cents. Is that asking for too much?
GNLN if get to 11.50-ish.
Come on, QH, give it another pop here.
SMCI. 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 SMCI.
Alright, SMC, I'm going to mute you, even though I like to watch you. You're in a down move currently. QH has died again here, unfortunately. We're going to keep it up in case it makes another quick move. Unless it falls down here, then never mind.
Fly up.
Yeah, the daily chart is just so bad on Fly, though.
Daily is POO.
No, looks like QH isn't gonna go. DBL's hard to borrow, no shares. Hmm. Come on, just give me one popper. Alright, so market started with some promise this morning, fell into red, is now just kind of relaxing, doing a whole lot of nothing. CVNA is falling a little bit. Not anything there yet that could get me in, but
SYTA.
YTA, not a lot doing. Any good movies lately? No, I haven't seen Deadpool or anything like
SYTA.
that. Just finished watching House of the Dragon, which kind of turned into just a big setup for season 3, so now I'll have to wait for that.
SYTA.
Otherwise, I'm not really. I just started rewatching Game of Thrones now that I've watched House of Dragon to see if
SYTA.
things could click. Because as good as Game of Thrones was, there was so much like backstory and things that, unless you're really into it, would just go over your head. So now I'm started rewatching Game of Thrones to see how much I like it, knowing more.
SYTA.
But movies, haven't really seen anything.
SYTA.
I don't really have time to go to the movies. We got 5 combined kids. Ain't got no time for that. And if we do go, it's going to be something that they want to watch. I'm just ready for football to start, honestly. I'm so ready for football. It's in March. I don't really like birthdays too much anymore. I'm starting to get towards a particular number that isn't too friendly. And I'm not excited about it. And it seems really old. And I don't know how I got that old. My body's starting to break down in times. I got knee surgery coming up next week. Breaking down over here. Somehow, some way, and I don't know how. GNLN, I don't think so. No, it's hard to borrow, and I wouldn't touch that one yet anyway. That one's too crazy. Would have been a good YOLO there on that breakout. I've had that muted since yesterday. But yeah, somehow part of my femur chipped off and is just floating around in my knee. It's been causing all kinds of issues. So next week I gotta go and get that cut out. And then they're gonna, while they're in there, they're gonna look around at
RCL dying.
the damage and see what was done. RCL is dying. You are correct, sir. Bit spready. Maybe under 151. Market coming down again. Is it going to get under 151 here? Okay, give me a bigger push, bigger push. Come on, do it.
GNLN.
Good luck, Alex. That's a crazy one.
GNLN.
Good luck, Diego. Alright, now I'm definitely waiting for under 150. I'm going to put that on my other chart just to watch that crazy thing does. Looks like it's trying to break out.
Average Alex. Not in. Just borrowed. Need signal.
There it goes. New high on GNLN. I'm definitely glad I'm not touching that one. RCL is actually, volume's not that great, especially for this kind of move and this big of a company. It's only got 260K traded so far.
15.15 my SL.
Ooh, barely stayed under it. Come on, come back down for him. Going up here for y'all since RCL slowed down.
SYTA. SYTA.
Yeah, RCL's just, the volume's just not there. Just not a good trade currently because of the volume. Tough
Wow,
to do
dollar,
anything with
dollar,
that
dollar,
volume.
dollar, 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 dollar.
Oh, there you go. There you go, Diego. Give him a woohoo.
SYTA.
Maybe
SYTA.
LUMN can give a secondary move, push up through the highs. We'll see. There you go, Diego. Crushing it over there.
SYTA. 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 INTU.
TA, I'm gonna mute you. Alright, I got about 30 minutes market for you to give me something. 30 minutes.
INTU. INTU.
I'm gonna re-up my coffee. I'll be right back. Using a rating system? How would you implement it though? Feels like that's could be very subjective unless you have like exact qualifications. Or are you okay with it being more subjective?
Serve.
On serve, donkey. Or you were gonna take RCL. What would you give it? Probably like a 6. What did RCL do? Pulled back a little bit. Probably like a 6. It's got a big range on the daily chart. Volume, ooh, northeast. Do we have shares there today? 116K.
Northeast.
See if we can get up above 750 here. Well, the problem is, if you take it, like you'd have to write, I guess, what you think the rating down is right when you take it. Because otherwise, if it works out well, then afterwards you're going to think it's obviously much better. I was for a while tracking the results of if I should have held longer or not. Like with my leftover shares, basically. And that came out after a few months, basically, to 50-50. So half the time it would have worked, half the time it wouldn't have. So I stopped kind of worrying about that because I was like, all right, well, just got to keep doing what I'm doing then because that makes no change. Well, NNE really died there after that volume surge. I also try not to change things too much, though, because my system works. It makes money. Now I'm just trying to make it work, make more money, and avoid doing dumb things sometimes, like I did last month. I subscribe more to the KISS philosophy of keep it simple, stupid type thing. Buy low, sell high on fast moves. Basically it. I see some people out there on YouTube, they've got all these things where it has to be above like the 15-minute SMA and then it has to be at a percentage above and the volume has to be here based on the it's just too much. I'm not saying people can't make that work, but that's just not my personality and my style. And can you make another run here if you pop up through the highs? Do you have it in you? $7.45 was the previous high. Tim, why aren't you showing your you changed your screen again? It confuses me. I haven't really been able to watch much of you talked about it today, obviously, since I'm streaming, so. Oh. Well, never mind then. At least they are just cheapies. Cheapies. Feels like they really screwed you once they took away that that opening range trade. It seemed like that was what was working. You can still do the opening range trade? I thought or is that maybe on one of the other ones? I think what's them faces took it away. Apex. Apex? Oh, Apex. Gotcha. Time to come back to stocks. Time to come back. Well, that's not really an opening range trade then. That's a opening one-way trade.
TCBP.
What GNLN end up doing? Just kind of chilling. Actually, might gear up for another push higher here after if it keeps consolidating there for a while.
LTRY up.
LTRY. Oh. LTRY. Is it going to be a missed move here? I didn't even see that one pop up. See if it gets above 110. Well, the previous high was 111. You can get back up through there. Halt's at 121. Currently. All right, is he gonna go? Ooh, little Little silly girl going back and forth here. Come on, make my move. I got 15 minutes, market. Let's go. I need you. I need you here. I hate having streams with no trades. Especially since I don't stream that often. TRY not seeming like it wants to make a push higher here.
CXAI.
CXAI, hard to borrow for us. That's a weird one. Yeah, it's been pretty quiet out there today, with the market dropping pretty much all morning. Not a lot has wanted to pop. Oh, there goes GNLN. Yeah, unfortunately, I have a lot of things on my palette today. On my plate, I should say, not palette. So if I don't get anything here in the next 15-20 minutes, it's going to be a nothing day for me.
REBN.
REBN. Nope. I can't even tell what that chart is there. Diego?
REBN. TCBP.
Oh, now it looks better. Okay. I just had to blow it up.
REBN.
Check out PGR.
TCBP.
Slow grind up.
TCBP.
Looks like they had earnings yesterday.
REBN.
Or this morning.
TCBP. REBN. TCBP. REBN. TCBP. REBN.
Market just took a dip. What time is it? 10:30?
TCBP.
I don't know if there's any news.
REBN.
Okay.
TCBP.
Helanova. Whoa, they've
REBN.
gone crazy on the daily chart recently. They were just down at 58 like 2 weeks
TCBP.
ago. Some
REBN.
investigation on potential sale of them, it looks like.
REBN.
REBN, gonna mute you. Yep, market just dropped to a new low again. And falling. That's probably gonna shut out any chance I have of finding a nice popper. Actually, a big drop here in the market now. SPY. I want a stock to make this move. All right, my girlfriend says I have to drink. We have a meeting to go to. She says I have to take a drink of whiskey before we go. What should I take? Take here. We've got limitless options. Question is what? What shall it be? Do I want something good? Something that's gonna be not good and wake me up? Life's questions. I heard you coming.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. I'm live, by the way.
Oh, see ya. Have a good day.
I'll be done in a few minutes. What do you want me to take a shot of, dear? The highest proof? Is NNE gonna give me a last second shot here? Come on, go. Come on. It's trying. Get up and go here, NNE. Maybe since I'm up against time, I should be shorter on my shares. Oh, beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna wait for the 90s after it did that. Let's see if we can get into the 90s here.
Northeast.
Come on, a little bit more. Yeah, REBN is... We have no shares on that one. No shares available to borrow. At least in Interactive Brokers, which is who I use.
Northeast.
She said highest proof.
REBN.
So, grab that one. Oh, hold on. Here we go. Watching it.
North
Here we
northeast.
go. See if I can get in here. 794 on north northeast for 300.
North northeast.
No fill there.
Order
Cancel that
cancelled.
out. Look for a little bit higher. Get this ready. This
North
is
northeast.
130.6 proof.
North northeast.
Well, I tried to get in there on NNE. I had the order sitting at 794. Could not get the fill. Now I'll need above 8.
North northeast.
Can it get above 8 here? This is extremely good. I don't suggest this, by the way, doing this and being at your trading station. I don't know if you can see it, but man, look at it. Ooh, it's so pretty. Or maybe it's a great idea. Who knows? Maybe do a like a drinking donation stream one day and see what happens. Can it pop 8? There you go. I would probably get a lot more views, honestly. Just start a new channel. Don't know how well that would go for my account, though. Probably not great in the long run. I have actually used it before if for some reason I was feeling like apprehensive after like a bad day or a bad string of days. I've taken a couple little drinks before trading in the morning to try and loosen up a little bit. Don't suggest that either, but north northeast. Ugh, tried to get in there. Wouldn't give it to me. And now it's chilling. So, sorry everybody that this looks like it's going to be a no trade stream. It was not my intent today. But it is what it is. Man, had the order sitting there at 794. I was on the ask on a couple times there too. Just couldn't get it. There's the flop. Ugh. That's what we would have been looking for. That's what we would have been looking for right there, NNE. All right, everybody. Well, I appreciate you being here. Sorry for the no trade stream. I will try and make it up to y'all soon. Maybe Friday I'll do another stream or something like that. That might work on Friday. Otherwise, should be here tomorrow, like normal, with the normal videos. And no, we don't have shares on REBN. We have no. It's hard to borrow. If you look right, if you can see right here, it says HTB, hard to borrow, means no shares available in IB. Honestly, I probably wouldn't be touching this one anyway. But yeah, no. But thanks for being here, Zentis, Yusuf, Adley, and Anis, VT, Diego. I'll catch y'all later.